How to use Bank of America digital wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Bank of America digital wallet. So to use the Bank of America digital wallet, you first of all want to log into your Bank of America app. So you can simply head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open that. Then you will have to sign into the account. So to sign in, you will have to enter your credentials, enter your username and password, and tap on the sign in option. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to click on the menu icon. So once you are on the menu icon, you will have a lot of options there. From there, you want to select the manage debit or credit card option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select the card that you want to be adding to your digital wallet. So simply choose the right card and then tap digital wallets. So once you click on that, you will basically need to choose what digital wallet you want to be using. You can use Apple Pay, PayPal, so go ahead and choose the right one for you. Then Bank of America app is going to ask you to verify this. So you will need to click on verify option. Then after filling the information requested, you will be able to verify your account. Now simply click on use default card, and by doing that, card is going to be added. Now, on the Bank of America app, you will basically see that the card is going to be added to your digital wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.